Hi guys, this is the proposed place where I want to set up the ATM. This is a 35 square feet uh, area where you can. I am planning to have a road face entrance. So this is the place where you have the gutter, and this gutter is on proposal to be closed, as this has been closed by the other building, and this is how this wall would look like. So people would enter the banking premises from this gate like this, and this place where my worker is giving me a tea. So this area would be closed something like this, where the ATM would come down, and that is going to be another plan that we have. So this gate would be closed, and this is the area where people would have a chance to stand, and they can get in. And this is all the construction material that I have here. So this place can be used for discussion chambers as well as for cash collection. If the cash has been picked up from Gajuaka branch, or which is the closest branch, which has a strong room, because I'm not promising a strong room here. This can be used for a temporary cash collection, where morning a certain amount of cash can come in, and then evening it can go. So this is how this building looks like, and the interior and everything would be done. I'll be changing the electricity, because this is on a single phase electricity, which is not supporting much of the things. So I'll be giving this to first room. We can break open this window, which can be used as a counter to have the scrolls given across. I mean, once this teller has finished, or if we use that as a teller where the cash is the message has to go, or some document has to be gone. This is a window which is very old. This has been made in 1981 by Uda, Vishakhapatnam Urban Development. So I'm not interested to hold all this nasty things at home. So we'll break it open. As of now, as I'm staying, okay, because we have other things which are lined up. We are not breaking this up. And this is the second room. I'm just turning off the light. My daughter is here. Okay, so this is the second room. We have Almara, which is made by Uda in 1981. So the door is spoiled. We can put a new door to make it look good, and this can be used for filing the racks. See how it looks like? And this room can be used for the management, or for any kind of discussions. So this cot, I'll put it in the room that I'm retaining, where my daughter is sleeping. Say hi. Say hi, Sanvi. Say hi here. Hi. Okay. So this is how these are my personal belongings that I'll be retaining here whenever I would like to come to Vizag. So I have one unit which has already been set up. If bank wants to lease this commercial space, along with this particular setup of two rooms, which is approximately 220 200 square feet, because this is 10 by 10 and this is a 10 by 10, two 10 by 10s. So this is my proposed plan to give it for. So if a cash teller has to be accepted, we can have three discussion seats here, and three discussion seats here. And if the bank is agreeing to have something set up as a place where you can uh, put a temporary cash collection and cash disbursement based on uh, the forms that people would write. Along with that, I know how ICICI Bank has a machine which is working as a ATM machine which collects cash as well as disburses cash. I don't know what is the technical terminology, because I'm a layman in terms of ICICI Bank. So this is what is my proposal for setting up a bank. And to give more idea that how it looks like is, let me go upstairs and show what is the potentiality this place would have in terms of number of transactions this place can actually make if you propose it. So this place in Vizag is called Burma Colony, and there are thousands of people. This is a Sachivalayam which is next to my house, which is a landmark in itself. And let's see the mountain in the top. So all the people don't have a bank. Okay, I don't think I can make it. Let me give this tab to my Mestri so that I can try taking a picture from the top and show you the view. Gauri Naidu, కొంచెం ఆ కొండ మీదకి ఇలా కనిపిస్తుందేమో నీ చెయ్యి ఎత్తితే చూడు, ఇలా చూపించు. ఇలా చూపించు ఆ కొండ మీదకి, ఇలా ఇంత మీద అటు అటు మొత్తం అలా చూపించు నాలుగు వైపులను. ఆ కొండను చూపించు, అన్ని బిల్డింగ్లు చూపించు, చూపించు. సరే అలా చాలు చాలు. So the approximate amount of people, I mean, the population which will be benefited with this small unit coming inside, I think you may have got the potential. It may be around 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 transactions a day. So this is an open challenge for you guys. Now, if you want to take it up, it's your choice. If not, it's your choice. And there is a certain setup of providing you with toilets also that we are working on. So that's what it is. So what I need is that your infra team has to visit this place and see what is the potentiality this place can give. I am giving you a map also for this place from Google, where from you can decide how you're going to do it and what you want to do, if you want, or else I have many other banks which are in India. Thank you.